Danas, me say, come right as I come sit down and wait for one of my nice, clean Danas. Them day here, right as south near me in a Jersey, like 28 minutes. When me Google with them there, from which part me there, was like 28 minutes. And she come meet me, she come meet me. Because she don't live a foreign, she don't live over here. She live in a different country. And when me tell her say you can feel people love through the phone, me no know her, me never see a picture of her, and normally me no do them things. So me no do them things here. But me can tell her say she love me. She don't want to meet me and Gracie, but today on Monday Gracie there work. Oh shucks. Gracie reach home. Yeah. She reach home. I forgot to Gracie work till 3 today. Down at 4:30. We're 4:40, 5 o'clock. So yeah. Me I wait for she for reach because she said she like 12 minutes away. So me I wait for her now. And when they call to my mother, call Gracie. When she tell me so she there close, when they up on the computer the whole day, I just hurry up and go take a shower and say, this is it. Me I head out. Me I go meet her because she there here and she not come back again till maybe next year. God he knows what happen next year. And when me actually tell her say me can feel her love through the phone, me know she care. So that's why I decide to come meet her. Me not normally do this here. So I don't know, but I think when I go try it and it go work. Me can feel people present. I have the connection there when me feel people present. Okay? Big up yourself, Madonna's. I'm not sure if she want me to call her name. So I'm not going to call her name. Yeah. Somebody that texts me. Anyways, adios. If me I go keep that video here just in case when she come, I can add it if she decide to go up on the camera. If not, me I go post that video here by itself, okay? Bye. Thank you so much, Ken. I had a really nice time. Okay, so earlier in the video, me telling her say, if Madonna's never want me to take a picture, do a video, I respect that. No picture, no video. But I have a really good time with she and her family. Big up your nice clean self. Enough love. Okay? Take care. Safe travel back home.